Hey, do you know that you're created to succeed your life, to fulfill the full potential of who you are, what you have inside of you, to go at the level of your potential, your top gift, your zone of genius? Don't waste your time anymore. You have to realize why you created, what is your top dominant gift, and how to use it to succeed your life and to create the impact you're created for. My name is Martine Wilkie, and I'm working with Allen since 24 years to help people to succeed their life.
You can get rich by monetizing your genius. Come and discover our 4-step accelerator system to wealth that's going to bring you to your dreams. It's going to connect you to your dreams. It is possible to bring this alive. It is possible to create this today. So please stay with us and we'll explain exactly how to do it.
It's a good advancement. It's an amazing investment in yourself. I can compare because I'm used to have coach and different approach and books and stuff like that, and other coach and another training. And that was one of the most payback, I think, in terms of changing myself.
Imagine waking up every morning with the excitement that you're at the right place for what you're created for, and you love what you're doing, and at the same time, you're paying the return of the result you create. Imagine having enough money to pay all your bills and have more than enough to bless the people around you that you love. Imagine working less and making more money because you're in the right place and you're efficient. You're created the results you want in people's life, or why you created for, and you're paying return, and you make so much money.
It is possible right now to achieve anything you want to do in life, to get that genius going, to get to that dream, to get to wherever you wanted to go and be and live. Let me tell you something. We've been doing this for 24 years, Martine and I. We took housewives that wanted to take control of their lives, people in school, lawyers. We took business people that were stuck into a level and they were losing millions. When you understand those cycles, their genius, we put it in action. We bring their dreams alive. We just activate everything. So today, it's your turn, because there's clients out there that you can listen to those videos and see how we changed their lives, how they were so amazed by these 4 steps. If you get that into your life, it is your turn. You will shift your life. You will shift to the next level. You will make things happen, because now you can get rich by monetizing your genius today.
Are you tired to not feel fulfilled? Do you crave for more in life? Are you feeling that you're just going through the emotion, making each week feel long and draining, and it's hard to find the motivation to keep pushing forward? Do you feel like it's hard to picture a better future for yourself? Do you feel like you're constantly waiting to chase your real dreams and desire, like you're just putting off living the life you truly want? Do you feel stuck in a job that doesn't inspire you? Do you feel that you're working hard just to get by? Do you feel like your financial limit is holding you back? You compare yourself with other people, they have success, and you feel that you're stuck at the same place? Do you doubt your abilities?
We are organizing a 2-day free masterclass just for you. In this exclusive masterclass, we will walk you through a 4-step proven system just for you, designed to tap into your fullest potential, fullest potential and talents and gifting, and understand the power of your genius into this business, into this world, into this future, into your dreams. Come and discover your uniqueness. It is time that you have a thriving source of income, and that you can live the abundance you always wanted. Now it is time to get rich with that genius.
One of the unique features in that training is that regardless of where you are in your journey, you can easily initiate an action plan for your life, and you begin to see a future for yourself that wasn't even there. That possibility wasn't even there before.
Your time is so precious, and why should you attend to this live event, this masterclass, this exclusive timing in your life to bring you to another level? I'll give you a couple of those reasons, right? Number 1, to understand the importance to discover that genius and the power it has on your finances and your future. Number 2, to gain control over your financial situation and the finances of your future, the output, the outcome. Number 3, you come to learn how to package all this, to sell that, to bring that to your clientele, your niche, to the people you are called to bring that service or that product, to build a sustainable wealth system in your life and make you richer and better and stronger, to set up an income system that's going to just cycle over and over again. And you don't have to exchange ever again those hours for money.
And more, so much more. We want to sow in your life to bring transformation. And for that, for everybody will be present with us during the 2-day live free masterclass on Zoom. Then you're going to receive a digital course, Life by Design, exactly what you need to discover why you create for and how to make money with your top gift. And this online course is a value of $497. You will receive this course. Secondly, you have the chance to win a one-on-one coaching with Allen and I. It's a value of $5,000 to help you to understand really your zone of genius and to clarify, to bring the right concept and strategies that you need for your success and to accelerate the results and to make so much money to be at the right place. The third bonus is to receive a PDF for all the information we will give you during these 2 days. We will give you this PDF if you attend this live Zoom meeting with us. The last one, you will receive in archives all the information we will give during these 2 days for life. Then it's a value of $997. Can you imagine all of that if you join us in this free live masterclass? It's your time now. It's not a coincidence that you're here. Listen to this testimony and come to our masterclass.
And I encourage everyone to sign up for the Accelerator because it's a life change. It was an eye-opener for me after serving the community and my organization for over 30 years. It made me realize that I worked so hard and everything was for them and not for me.
I was so satisfied. I'm so happy that I decided to take this course, and everything just changed and my business just increased so much. And thank you so much. If you doubt about taking this course, don't hesitate. Martine is very result-oriented, and during this coaching, you're going to see the result in your life. You're not going to be discouraged. You're going to see yourself going to a higher level, and you're going to have the right supports to help you to become the best version of what you're called to do.
Well, it's so safe, the payback. It's many times fold the price of it, and even the time that you may invest is many-fold that you're going to have a payback. And so it's very important to go through that. I think, and my advice would be take it as soon as possible.
It was by far one of the best investments that I've made in my life. I have no regrets whatsoever, and I highly recommend it to everyone.
On the final note, it is so important for you to find that top gift and to monetize it once and for all. You can get rich today by monetizing that genius, that top gift that's been lying around for so long. To discover that, take a 4-step proven system that brings wealth. It's all about taking a decision today. Click on that link below and come and join us. It's totally free. And this, I can tell you, this accelerator, it's going to accelerate your thoughts, your gifting, your genius. Everything's going to be activated. Now click that link. I'm not joking. It's totally free. It will change your life forever. This is the right timing for you. Just take it. Come and join Martine and I. Click on that link.